guys, it's Ryan. Today we'll be learning how to do a mumble rap video. But with this, I'm going to be going through the steps and the process it takes in order to not only make the mumble rap video, but to also upload it onto social media such as SoundCloud, Instagram, or any other users, but specifically I will be focusing on sound. So step one of making a mumble rap video is finding a beat or making a beat. For this video, to kind of speed it up a little bit, I had one of my buddies from back home, Goldface, make a beat for me. He posted it on SoundCloud and allowed me to use it. Alright, so the next part, step two, is going to be getting down the vocals. The first step of this two-tier process is getting down the actual vocals of the song, so finding specific words, and the second step is going to be ad-libs. So, alright guys, so this is going to be the recording process. This is step 2A. I'm going to be singing the majority of my vocals into the mic, and we are going to be getting the sound that we want for the beat. Alright guys, this is step 2B of the process. We are going to be recording the ad-libs. This is where I go, yeah, what? Within the songs. Alright, so now that we have finished our recording, we are going to work on our editing portion of the video. Alright, so now that we have focused on recording, we are going to now edit the vocals. So as you can see here, we have a vocal. We're going to go up top to the setting. This is Logic Pro, by the way, the Apple version of Fruity Loops or any other type of recording system. And then we are going to go to voice and then pick the different types of sounds. So if you can hear, if I were to play it, start kind of in the song. There's a bunch of... So for this one I decided to pick the warm vocal. Which allows for a more clear sound. And for here I decided to pick more of a vintage vocal. So as you can kind of hear in the background with my ad-libs, sounds more old school. Alright, so step 3 is going to be uploading this hot beat to SoundCloud. Alright, so to do this, we go up to File, go to Share, then go to Song to iTunes. And you will convert it, create a song. Let's go with, create a song title, let's go with Calm 244, artist, myself, and then composer. We will give Goldface the credit for that. And we are going to share. So now we are right now working on bouncing it. And when we bounce that out, we should be able to go here, go to SoundCloud, load, go to my profile, and here is the Calm 244 song. I'd like to thank you for watching this and enjoy listening to the song that I made while the credits roll. Have a good day, and again, my name is Ryan. Peace. Staying in it, looking real nice, gonna be out of this sight, out of flight. Ha, what? Oh. Man, I hit you once, man, I hit you twice. All I can say is I'm like Travis Trice, shooting at 3, making it nice, and I'm gonna be making it rain nice. Hey, Frosty Snowman. Yup. Frosty Snowman. Okay. Christmas trees. What? R.I.P.